Hey guys, if your microphone is not working on Windows 11, and then you're in the right place. This is Lucy, and I will be guiding you with some steps on solving this problem. And let's get to the video without any delay. First, go to microphone settings. In the search, type microphone privacy settings. So first, make sure that the microphone access is turned on. If this is not turned on, and then each and every app that uses the microphone will be disabled. So next, what you need to do is make sure that the app that you're using has the access to microphone. So if you're using WhatsApp and it's turned off, then you will need to turn it on in order to keep this settings. And let's move on to the next fix. For this, you will need to go to control panel. In the search, type control panel and open it. So here you will need to go to sound right there, double click on it, and here you will see all the audio devices connected to your device. So this is the one that I'm using. Some of you may be using this default communications devices. Just make sure that the audio system device that you're using is set as default. So next, what you will need to do is go to the device you're using and go to properties. Here, go to levels and make sure that the headphones level of the particular device that you're using is high. And with this, you can solve this problem easily. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.